In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make DIY silhouette art on Canva. This simple yet creative project can add a touch of elegance to your space, and all you'll need is a Canva account and an image you'd like to transform into a silhouette. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, open up your web browser and go to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Canva account. If you don't have one already, creating an account is quick and easy, so be sure to do that before you proceed. Now with Canva open and ready, let's create a new design. For this project, we're going to use a canvas size of 1080 by 1080 pixels. This size is perfect for social media posts or printing as a small picture. Of course, Canva allows you to set custom sizes, so feel free to adjust this according to your preference. Once your canvas is ready, it's time to upload the image you want to convert into a silhouette. Just look over on the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Uploads tab. Click on it, and you'll be able to either click to select the image from your computer or simply drag and drop it onto the Canva interface. After your image is uploaded, click on it to have it appear on your canvas. Now that your image is in place, let's remove the background to highlight the silhouette. Look at the toolbar that appears above your image, and you'll see an option labeled BG Remover. Click this button, and Canva will automatically remove the background for you, leaving behind the subject of your photo, which will serve as your silhouette. With the background removed, click on the Edit option, conveniently located right next to the BG Remover button. This will open up a range of editing tools, but we're going to focus on the Effects section as we proceed. Hover down there and you'll find an option called Duotone. Give that a click and explore further customization. In the Duotone settings, look for an option labeled Custom. Click on it, as this will allow us to manually change some colors. For creating the perfect silhouette, you'll want to change the highlight and shadow colors to black. You can do this by selecting the color and inputting the color hashcode number and finally make sure the intensity is set to 100%. This ensures your silhouette is sharply defined and stands out crisply against whatever background you choose to add later. And there you have it. A striking silhouette art piece crafted right in Canva. I hope this guide has been helpful and inspires you to create unique silhouette art effortlessly. Don't forget to explore other creative effects within Canva to further enhance your projects. Happy designing!